Hello, good morning. Welcome to Michurop Recipe. Today we're gonna be making special chicken a la king. And I have here the ingredients. Let me introduce first the ingredients here. So I have already marinated this. This is breast chicken that I cut into smaller pieces. This has been marinated with lemon juice, one piece of lemon juice, half a tablespoon of ground pepper, one tablespoon of patis, and half a tablespoon of salt. You can remove the patis and replace it with 1 tablespoon of salt instead of half if you prefer, but if you have patis, it's better. So I marinated this for 1 hour just to pre-do. This is going to be the chicken that we're going to be using. Now, in terms of the batter, here's what we're going to be using. We're going to be using cornstarch, all-purpose flour. We have here salt and pepper, and then we have garlic powder as well. And then we're going to be using oh, and then a bit of water as well to dilute our batter later on. And of course, breadcrumbs for the breading. Now for the sauce, we're going to be using um, minced garlic and onion, white onion, sweet corn. I use the one in can. I have here minced or cubes carrots, spring onions, butter, all-purpose cream, evaporated milk, mushroom. I am using the button mushroom from the can already, and I'm gonna be using some flour as well to thicken the sauce. And this is optional. You guys could use chicken cubes, or if you guys have chicken stock, that's fine. This is what I have, so this is what I'm gonna be using, plus salt and pepper later on for the sauce to completely taste it. Now let's create the batter first. So I'm just gonna be putting 1 cup of flour, and then the cornstarch. I'm using cornstarch to remove egg from the process already. Use a bitter. Next is garlic powder. I would like to add a lot, and then half a tablespoon of salt and half a tablespoon of pepper. Then just stir it to completely combine. You can use whisk, but I can use this spoon. Then let's add water. So do it gradually. You don't want to over liquidate the mixture, so just do it gradually. You can add a bit of water. So the first step is to put chicken in the batter. You can put at least 3 for the meantime, and then make sure that it's covered with our seasoned batter. Okay, once it's completely covered with the butter, so give it a good tap, and then again our breadcrumbs, and cover it with breadcrumbs. As for the meantime, make sure that your oil is already preheated, so you can put this immediately. But I prepare like around 3 of this before I fry it. In here, a bit of the tab, put it in our breadcrumbs. So the next process is putting this already in a pan. Make sure that the oil is very hot already. And I can sprinkle some. Alright. Okay. So just put it in a medium heat so that it's not going to be undercooked. Guys, so I am flipping it every 2 minutes. Make sure that the fire is not too high so we can prevent it from being undercooked and of course overcooking the outer layer. We want to make sure that the chicken is cooked as well, since you guys see it's kind of sliced thin. Okay, so just make sure that the fire is moderate. Alright guys, so our chicken is already golden brown. This should be okay already for me. I'm just gonna cook like just 1 more minute. Then I'm gonna remove it from the pan, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing on the next batches of chicken. And once I put the next batch of the chicken, I'm gonna be cooking the sauce already. So let me just go ahead and cook this for 1 minute, and then let's proceed with the sauce. Okay, so while I'm cooking the rest of the chicken, I'm gonna be cooking our sauce already. So I'm gonna be putting 1/4 cup of butter, margarine if you want, but I prefer butter, of course. Okay, once the butter is melted, let's put our garlic. By the way, the measurement of the garlic is 3 cloves of garlic. Next is our white onion. Once the onion is already soft, we can put our carrots already. Alright, so after 1 minute, we're going to be putting our mushroom. Please don't include the liquid. You have to drain it first if you are using mushroom in can. But if you guys are using the fresh mushroom, then that's better. Just saute this. While sauteing it, let's dilute 1/8 cup of flour with 1/4 cup of water. Just dissolve it. We can already put our cubes, 1/4 cubes, not mushroom and chicken cubes, or if you guys have chicken stock, then that's better. And boom. Just a bit of salt and pepper to taste. Next is our sweet corn. Next is the diluted flour in the water. Just have to mix it. So after that, we're going to be putting our evaporated milk already. So use 1 cup of evaporated milk. A little bit mix. And anyway, we're not rushing because we're still cooking the chicken. So it's just gonna be okay to cook it this way. Alright, so the flour is already cooked and I have simmered this for around 5 minutes. Now the last ingredient would be our spring onion. I'm gonna leave some for the garnish later on, but you need to include some. You guys could use celery or parsley, but I don't know, I prefer a spring onion. It gives me the taste that I'm looking for. And then just mix this for around 1 more minute and our sauce is already done. Okay, so we are already cooking the sauce. Look at this. Creamy and tasty looking sauce. Sprinkle more spring onions. Wow. Alright, there you go. So this is our finished chicken a la king with, of course, our special sauce. This is actually like a KFC version because it has sweet corn in it. Remove the sweet corn, remove the parsley, and it's already a McDonald's version. So look at how amazing it looks like. Alright, so let's go ahead and eat. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys do subscribe on my channel for you guys to be able to see all the cooking tutorial and videos that I have. And please don't forget to click the notification below so you guys will be notified every time that I do upload my tutorial. Thank you so much.